Wharton's duct. The Wharton's duct, also called the submandibular duct or the submaxillary duct, is one of the salivary ducts draining the submandibular and sublingual salivary glands. It is about 5 centimeters long and its wall is much thinner than that of the parotid duct. It begins by numerous branches from the deep surface of the gland, runs forwards between the mylohyoides, hyoglossus, and genioglossus, then between the sublingual gland and the genioglossus, and opens by a narrow orifice on the summit of a small papilla at the side of the frenulum linguae. This is the opening of the Wharton's duct on either side of the frenulum linguae by a narrow orifice on the summit of a small papilla. On the hyoglossus, the duct lies between the lingual and hypoglossal nerves, but at the anterior border of the muscle, the lingual nerve passes inferior and medial to the submandibular duct. The terminal branches of the lingual nerve ascend on its medial side. The Wharton's duct drains saliva from the submandibular and sublingual glands to the sublingual caruncle at the base of the tongue. And this is the sublingual caruncle at the base of the tongue. The Wharton's duct was initially described by the English anatomist Thomas Wharton and therefore referred to by his name. Thomas Wharton, 1614 to 1673, was an English physician and an anatomist, best known for his description of the submandibular duct and the Wharton's jelly of the umbilical cord. This is the duct from which a hungry person preparing to take a first bite of food might accidentally eject a spray of salivary fluid, or alternatively, intentionally do so in a process called gleeking. Gleek. To emit a long shot of spit from underneath your tongue, and gleeking can range from a distance of a few inches to a few feet.